If you're considering ShepherdConnect for your church management needs, there are 12 important things you should know before making a purchase. While it offers a lot of features, it's essential to understand how it compares to other church management software options. The first thing to keep in mind is its focus on member management. ShepherdConnect allows churches to manage membership details, track attendance, and communicate with members directly. While some other software offers similar features, ShepherdConnect's user interface is considered user-friendly, making it a good choice for churches that want a simple setup. Next thing, ShepherdConnect offers financial tools that help with budgeting, donation tracking, and financial reporting. However, if you're looking for a solution with more advanced financial capabilities, there are competitors like Breeze or Planning Center that offer more robust options in this area. The third thing to consider is the church website integration. ShepherdConnect includes a website builder that integrates directly with your church management system. This feature can be very convenient, but keep in mind that the customization options for the website might feel a bit limited compared to dedicated website platforms. The fourth thing is the mobile app. ShepherdConnect offers a mobile app for both church staff and members, but some users report that the app could be more intuitive. While other solutions like Church Community Builder offer a similar app experience, they might have a more polished design and functionality. Fifth, you'll want to think about how well ShepherdConnect supports volunteers. It provides tools for volunteer scheduling and management, but if you need more advanced volunteer coordination, other platforms like Rock RMS or Planning Center may offer more flexibility. The sixth thing to note is the support and customer service. ShepherdConnect generally gets good reviews for its responsive support team, but depending on your needs, you may find that some competitors offer more comprehensive training resources or a larger community forum. Seventh, consider the pricing structure. ShepherdConnect has a transparent pricing model that's based on church size, making it easier to understand what you'll pay. However, it's worth comparing this to competitors, as some might offer more competitive pricing for smaller churches or nonprofits. Next thing is integration with third-party tools. ShepherdConnect integrates with tools like QuickBooks and MailChimp, but if you use other specialized software for your church's needs, you might find the integrations a bit lacking when compared to more flexible systems like Rock RMS. The eighth point is data security. ShepherdConnect provides solid data protection features, but always make sure to compare how each platform handles sensitive member and financial data. You'll want to ensure that your chosen solution complies with necessary regulations like GDPR and PCI. Ninth, look at the scalability of ShepherdConnect. As your church grows, you may need more advanced features or increased support. While ShepherdConnect can grow with you, there might be other solutions out there that offer more room for expansion. The 10th thing to consider is user feedback. While ShepherdConnect has many loyal users, it's not without its criticisms, especially when it comes to more advanced reporting features. If in-depth reporting is a priority, platforms like Planning Center or Breeze could be better suited for your needs. The 11th thing is the training and onboarding process. ShepherdConnect offers training, but if you're new to church management software, you might find it takes a little longer to fully understand the system compared to competitors that offer more hands-on, guided setup. Lastly, be sure to take advantage of the free trial. ShepherdConnect offers a demo, which is a great way to see if it's the right fit for your church. However, it's important to test out its features in real-world scenarios to fully understand whether it's the best solution for your specific needs. While ShepherdConnect offers a solid church management solution, there are competitors that might be a better fit depending on your church's unique needs. If you're looking for something more advanced or specialized, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.